welcome back to my channel. So I haven't posted in like 3 weeks or something. I apologize for that. My life is a mess right now. Well, at least it was when I had a whole bunch of homework. Anyways, I was sick like 2 weeks ago, so yeah, things are going on pretty nice. During the week when I was sick, I felt like I needed to take a rest. So today's video is a self-care with me video. Basically, I'm going to be talking about how I do things to make myself feel happier and feel more refreshed. So about not posting, my next video is going to be about me explaining why I started a YouTube channel. I want to remind myself that there's a reason, a motivation that I started. I want to make a video to refresh my mind and remind myself about how making videos makes me happy. Anyways, without further ado, let's get into the video. On the weekends, a healthy breakfast usually starts off my day in a good mood. Usually, I like to have yogurt or milk mixed with something else. Since the yogurt I bought today here tastes sweet, I am mixing up the yogurt with cereal. One day I found this wooden spoon that came with something my mom bought, which I happened to like, so I decided to keep it so I can make breakfast special every weekend. Another snack that I really like that's pretty healthy are nuts. I just don't want myself to eat junk food in the morning, so I went with some alternatives. By the way, putting on some music and essential oil really helps with the good vibe. An everyday routine that I am trying to incorporate to my daily life is stretching. Stretching provides me with peace as I added music along with it. At lunch, my parents were outside, which they left me with soup for lunch. The ingredients in the soup is very simple: tomatoes, the vegetable kind, onions, carrots, some salt, and of course water. God, this is making me hungry. I really like tomatoes, by the way. I had mooncake for dessert since this was actually filmed all the way back in Mooncake Festival. I'm sorry, but I had to get my homework done first and make videos. By the way, I was watching YouTube while eating this. Moving on, journaling had always been my key to releasing stress. Here I finished my journal, so I'm writing about why I started journaling in the first place. I actually wrote down how stressed out I felt the day before I filmed this, so yeah. Somehow, writing on a piece of paper releases my feelings better than talking to other people. I haven't been journaling for months and it helps me so much. In my new journal, I want to remind myself of why I started journaling on a piece of paper. Here I read through my previous journal, which I was surprised started all the way back in 2017, November. It was like 2 years of memories squished inside a notebook. It recalled all the self-talks, life lessons, ideas, friends, and sketches that I had. I still remember my first day of journaling started from a booklet that came with my all-time favorite book series, Warrior Cats. The booklet included questions to start off my writing. I really had fun, so I got a journal of my own and started recording down my day. On the bad days, journaling became essential to a good mood. Anyways, ending that there, I also did some peaceful DIYs. I really enjoy making friendship bracelets, but never one just for myself. I'm calling this my self-care bracelet, reminding me to love myself because I'm always the person I can't escape from. So why don't I just love myself? I used white for a sense of strength, yellow for joy, and purple for some kind of self-love. I ended this bracelet, which turned out quite nice. Here I made another DIY, a DIY I made before in Taiwan. I gave the one I made in Taiwan to my friend, so I decided I should keep one myself. I really like plants since it is very soothing. The tropical flourishing color attracts my aesthetic here. Once again, I just trimmed it, adjust the position, and then capped it so I have a finished piece of artwork. Anyways, that's it for today's video. I hope you liked it, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. 1 thumbs up. 2, it's gonna cancel out the other, I'm speaking nonsense. Anyway, subscribe to the button down below for my future videos. Before I say bye, I will work on my posting schedule and just like my life, so I get my life together. Don't worry, I'll get that together one day. Anyways, bye!